Hi. So I got one of these mole removal pens that everyone's talking about. This is supposed to be stronger than the Sweet Spot. I have obviously a lot of freckles and moles. I'm not planning to remove everything, but I did try it out, and I saw on YouTube a lot of people wondering what this tiny needle was for, and what this little thing came with it was for. This one has a hole in it. I loved playing with Legos when I was a kid, so I figured it out. So this tiny needle goes right in here. You're going to have to work it until it gets through the hole. What this particular needle is for is for tiny spots that you're trying to remove, and it is also great for freckles because you don't need to put a lot of pressure to remove the freckles. What these Sweet Spot pens do is it cauterizes the skin, it burns it, and it prevents further bleeding. So I studied, I'm an esthetician, so I understand what this does. What you're doing is you're burning off any discoloration on the skin. Your skin will scab up, heal, and then as your new skin grows out, the scab will fall off, giving you brand new skin to help give a smoother appearance. Now, as I said, I am not going to do this. But anyway, once you put that needle in, there's a little screwy. You can screw it right into the tip of the pen. And voila. Now you're ready to use the pen. And this particular model has 5 settings. So the strongest is 5. That's would be to remove a giant mole like this. But remember, it's burning off skin, so it can leave a scar. If you don't want to have a scar, I highly recommend setting and testing the pen out and see how your skin reacts. Do it on 1 and do it with a tiny needle, because what happens is you're going to just pinpoint where you're going to cauterize the skin to create the scab and heal. Great for really tiny freckles like this. Now, I don't plan to do my whole face because guess what? This will leave a slight surface scar, which means bumps. I have done it on this particular mole to test it out, and this age spot that I've hated for years, that peels wouldn't get rid of, microdermabrasion, and I've just literally used this tiny pinpoint to needle and just dot and burn off what I want, which was the darker color. I also have this brown spot, which is the scab of another age spot. I will come back probably in about a week or so and see if it worked for me. And then maybe I'll selectively remove some of the age spots I have on this side. I have also touched upon this side as well. I hope the mystery of the needles that come with this pen has been solved. Again, if you have not understood how this works, it goes from the weakest level to the strongest. This, when you press down for up to 5 seconds, will light up your device. You press it again to select the mode that you want, and that's the strength of the tool. The out button basically directs the machine to create the spark or the circuit. If you don't press out and you touch the skin, it's not going to work. But if you do press out and you touch the skin, it will spark and cause the cauterization or the burning. And the smell that you smell when it happens is burnt skin. Take it from the experts. Signing out. This is Selena. Bye.